The constitutional law. The Constitution of the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. 1978 Constitution. This is the second Republican Constitution of Sri Lanka. These are the chapters. Chapter 1 includes the people, the state, and the sovereignty. Chapter 2 includes Buddhism. Chapter 3 includes fundamental rights of the Constitution. Chapter 4 is reserved for the language. Chapter 5 is talking about citizenship. Chapter 6 presents the directive principles of state policy and the fundamental duties. Then chapter 7, it includes the executive, the president of the Sri Lanka of the Republic. Chapter 8 includes the executive, the cabinet of ministers. Chapter 9, the executive, the public service. Chapter 10 includes the legislature, which is the Parliament of Sri Lanka. Chapter 11 includes the legislation, procedure and powers. The powers and the procedure that should be followed by the Parliament of Sri Lanka. Then chapter 12, it is the legislation, the amendment of the Constitution. Chapter 13, it is the referendum. Chapter 14 includes the franchise and elections. Chapter 15, the judiciary and the independence of the judiciary. Chapter 16 includes the superior courts or the supremacy of judiciary. The Supreme Court, superior courts. Superior courts includes Supreme Court of Sri Lanka, the Court of Appeal, those two. Chapter 17. Chapter 17 includes the finance. Chapter 18 includes public security. Then chapter 19, the Parliamentary Commissioner for Administration. Chapter 20, it is the general section. Chapter 21 includes transitional provisions. Chapter 22 includes the interpretation. Chapter 23, the repeal procedure for repeal. Chapter 24 includes promulgation of the Constitution. Then the schedules are there. There are so many schedules: first schedule, second schedule, third schedule, fourth schedule, fifth schedule, and sixth schedule. This is the content of the supreme law document of Sri Lanka, that is the Constitution of the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. This is the Swasti section. At the latter part it says this constitution as the supreme law of the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, that is considered as the supreme law of the country.